Here's how to change app icon colors on iOS in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. iOS doesn't let you directly change default app icon colors, but you can customize them using built-in iOS tools. No hacks needed. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action. Search for Open App and select the app you want to customize. Tap the info icon, then Add to Home Screen. Tap the icon image, choose a color, photo, or custom icon. Rename the app if you want, then tap Add. Your new colored icon will appear on the home screen. You can remove the original app icon from the home screen and keep it in the app library for a clean look. If you want system-wide color changes, go to Settings, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size. Use color filters or Smart Invert. This affects the whole system, not individual apps. Custom icons open apps via shortcuts, so you may briefly see the Shortcuts banner. Use matching icon packs for a clean and aesthetic home screen. And that's it. That's how you change app icon colors on iOS. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.